Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a professional email signature in Word for Microsoft Outlook. A polished email signature helps every message look consistent and credible, and in this walkthrough, we'll set it up directly in Outlook on the web, with tips for creating or refining the design in Word first if you prefer. Start by opening Outlook in your browser and signing into your mailbox. Once your inbox is visible, look to the top right and select the gear icon to open settings. This opens a panel where you can adjust how Outlook looks and behaves. In the Settings panel, choose the Account section, then open the Signatures area. If your layout looks a little different, use the search box in Settings and type Signature to jump straight to the same place. Here you'll see any existing signatures and the option to make a new one. Select Add Signature to create a fresh professional version. Give your signature a clear name so you can recognize it later, such as Professional or Marketing. This name is just for you. It won't appear in your emails. Next, move to the editor where you'll enter the content of the signature. Keep it concise and readable. Include your full name, your role or department, your organization, and essential contact details, along with a website or scheduling link if relevant. Aim for 3 to 5 lines so it looks clean in both desktop and mobile inboxes. For style, pick a standard, easy-to-read font and keep sizes consistent, usually around 10 to 12 points. Limit color to one accent that matches your brand and avoid bright or hard-to-read shades. If you want a subtle divider, you can use a simple line or a small separator character to keep sections organized. You can also add a small logo or icon, but keep images lightweight so emails load quickly, and add alt text for accessibility. Links to a website or professional profiles are fine. Keep them minimal and ensure they're working. If you prefer designing in Word, build your layout there first using simple tables for alignment, then copy and paste it into the Outlook signature editor. After pasting, check spacing, fonts, and links, and make minor adjustments with the editor's toolbar so everything looks consistent. When you're satisfied, select Save. Outlook will store this signature so it's ready whenever you compose messages. If you update branding or details later, return to the same signatures area to edit rather than rebuilding from scratch. That's it. Your professional signature is created and ready to use. Keep it concise, consistent, and up to date, and your emails will look polished every time.